Well, hello everybody out there. Just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of Jaytech's new sample library. And this is just something I threw together using it. And he's got some interesting takes on sounds. One of the things, well, there's a few things that I really like about it. It's not a very big sample pack. It's available on Splice. Let me pull it up here. It's called Wavelengths, and it's 349 samples, I believe. And one of, the thing that I really like about it is it's got some really strong kicks. He's got some interesting takes on cymbals. Some of his one-shots are really good. They have interesting textures to them. And let me just show you real quick here. Like, for example, this bass loop. And one of the things I like about getting these artist sample packs like this is you kind of get a little education on how they think about producing. So, I mean, listen to this. He calls this a bass loop, but it's got a lot going on. Whoops. Another example would be the kick. Very punchy kick. Now he's got individual kicks and he's got these kick loops that are basically drum loops that are broken up into the top and into the kick. And very punchy kicks. So I'm pretty impressed with that aspect. Let me show you more here. Let's go to Jaytech Wavelengths. And he's got, in the one-shot section, he's got drum hits, and he's got an interesting take on cymbals, and I think I'm going to use them. I like, they're kind of like a cross between white noise and a crash, so. Some interesting textures that I certainly haven't really heard that often out there. Add a little bit different texture to your tracks. Let's go back to one shots here, and then effects here. Let's check some of those out. Impacts, uplifters. Then when you get into the loop section, you've got these bass loops, and there's quite a few interesting ones in here, like this one. Like that one right there. That's, you could probably sample that. Throw that into a sampler. It's got some rolling bass lines in here. That one. And then he's got music loops, and he's got these, they're kind of like mini construction kits here. Let's check one of those out here. This would kind of, this one loop in here would be the full song. So I kind of just like going through those to see how he puts things together. So it's kind of interesting to do it that way. And that's what else we want to check out here. The one shots, again, your kicks. Not a real big selection of claps here. There's a couple in here that I like. That's a nice one there, but the percussions are kind of neat. The kicks are very good. Some really punchy ones in there. And then where you're going to find your, let's see, let's go back here to, you're going to find the drum loops That's where you're gonna find your. You're gonna find the full loop, and then you're gonna find the top loop, and then the kick loop. And then so you have more kicks within these drum loops, and some of those are really good. So anyways, that's just a quick overview. If you're looking for something a little bit different from a great producer, I would highly recommend going and checking it out on Splice. You don't have to buy the whole pack like I did. You can just pick and choose, and I think it's a subscription. It's still $7.95 a month. And I had a bunch of credits built up, and I just bought this and a couple other sample packs. So anyways, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown and hope you go check it out. Thanks for watching.